everybody, Holly here from HolliDay, AnyDay, and what's Holly drinking today? Well, what I'm drinking today is in honor of Breast Cancer Awareness Month. You know, we all know the month of October, Breast Cancer Awareness Month. We thought we'd come up with a real cool pink cocktail to celebrate the month. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with Gray Whale Gin. It's a gin from here in California. It's quite tasty. And it's nice and aromatic. And very, very refreshing. It's still awfully hot here in California. So we got a couple jiggers there. We've got some fresh grapefruit juice, preferably pink. Grapefruit liqueur. A little bit of my homemade rosemary simple syrup. And to make sure it gets nice and pink, some maraschino juice from the little jar of cherries. Now let's go ahead and give it some ice. Let's also give it a squeeze of lime just to jazz up the acid, just a little tiny bit. Okay? Okay. And make sure your lid's secure. Give them a shake. Wait to see the gorgeous color this turns out. And even if you don't like gin, this is pretty tasty. You could do it with vodka, totally, or probably even tequila if you wanted. But we thought we'd do gin today. So, find a nice pretty glass. I am dripping. Look at how pretty that is. And of course we have to add a maraschino cherry. And let's add a sprig of rosemary. And there you go. Now everybody remember to get your mammograms. It's easy breezy.